Hey guys, it's Courtney from Yellow Daisy. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be participating in the $5 Goodwill challenge that Hillary from Old World Home is hosting. About a week ago I saw this video on her page and I thought it was a neat idea, and just quickly after that my best friend sent me a text asking if I wanted to go with her to Goodwill because she wanted to see if she could find some picture frames for her home. I thought, wow, this is really ironic and it's probably meant to be. So I went with her and I started looking around. We found her picture frames, but I wasn't finding anything for my spring challenge. So we were leaving, she was getting ready to check out, and I happened to notice at the end cap of an apparel rack this adorable wreath. So, can't really see it really, but this is the wreath that I found. I just thought it was adorable. So I thought, well, it's springy, it's Eastery. I don't have a really cute Easter wreath right now. So I thought, oh, that'll be perfect. And I'm like, well, it's in really good shape. There was one Easter egg that had fallen off, but I just stuck it back on and put a little hot glue on it and it works just fine. So I looked at it and I thought, well, it's probably gonna be $10 or something. And it was $4.49, and I thought, wow, that's perfect for this challenge. So I went ahead and got it, and like I said, I hot glued the one Easter egg back in and put it on my door hanger and hung it up on my door. I loved it so much, but my mom and I decided that we were gonna spruce up my front porch to make it more Eastery and more springy. So my mom and I went to Walmart, Home Goods, a local antique shop, and Bed Bath & Beyond. We found a bunch of items that'll be perfect for my front door. So I got this sign from Walmart. I thought it was adorable. It says, "Welcome to our home." I planned on using a crate on my front porch to hold some of the items. And so this wood look was perfect. And then my planters for my flowers were actually this material as well, so it was absolutely perfect, and I thought it was adorable. I also got my plants from there. I got my pots from Home Goods, and the little bunny that you'll see I got from the vintage shop. So I hope you enjoy, and I'm going to take you on a little look at each item very closely, and you'll be able to see it all, and I hope you enjoy it. Please give us a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video today. I hope that it motivated you to go check out your local Goodwill stores. I will list Hillary's channel and the $5 Goodwill Challenge playlist in the description box below. If you are new to our channel, we would love for you to hit that subscribe button. See you in our next video.